Stop by and take a look at the 2002 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.